Hey, what up guys, I'm gonna show you my new monsters over here. So, turn on this laptop. Okay. You see the new monsters right here? So yeah, in case you need to see where, I'll move the thing. So, I'll move this waterfall so you can see it. See the blue monsters? I just have like 6 because I just got them right now after like 5:30 or 6. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my videos. And yeah, bye.